This is the County Road 200 East grade crossing, located on the BNSF Mendota Sub, west of Neponset, Illinois. Here we have two newish gated signals, each with LED lights and each with an E-bell. There's nobody looking north. If you look here at the southern signal. Main lights, we got 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs inside of them. You see that one's missing a huge chunk of its background. That might have just happened too, I'm not sure, because we just had big storms this morning. Here's the dot tag. Dot number is 079722D. Got a single-sided Safetran base on a metal foundation. You don't see too many of those on BNSF. Got a Safetran 2000s gate mechanism with a GSI gate saver. Side view lights with a Safetran Junction box. The bell up top is a GS Type 2 E-bell. Back view of the lane lights, you can really see how much that's missing there. The gate here has the older striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's a back view of the southern signal. Here's an overview now looking south. You can look here at the northern signal. Main lights, same thing, 12 by 24 inch Safetran frames with Dialight ball LEDs. And then we got side lights on this one. These are the same thing, except they have Harmon fading LEDs inside of them. Here's the dot tag again. Got another single-sided Safetran base on the metal foundation. Here's a side look at the side lights. Side view of the main lights. Got another Safetran 2000s gate mechanism with a GSI gate saver. And up top we got another GS Type 2 E-bell. Back view of the main lights. These are Dialight ball LEDs. The gate also has the older striping with 4-inch RECO LEDs. Here's a back view of the northern signal. Here's the relay bungalow in the southeast quadrant. Grade here is all concrete. Track view facing west towards Kewanee, Galva, Oneida, and Galesburg. And track view facing east towards Neponset, Princeton, Arlington, and eventually Aurora. So these signals were installed in the early 2010s. These might have been the first new Safetran signals that BNSF installed in this line during that time period, going away from the USNS signals that they were using before. I presume they replaced a pair of crossbucks. I don't believe there were signals here before then. And funny enough, I thought this crossing was going to get some more changes to it, because back in June 2021, there was actually a new bungalow sitting in town in Kewanee for this crossing. It had the County Road 200E and the dot number on it, which I thought was really bizarre, because like, why would they replace the bungalow here and not at some of the other crossings around here that still had old WCH signals at the time? As it turned out, that crossing, or that bungalow, was not going to this crossing. It ended up going to the 2880 East Street crossing, just east of Kewanee. They changed the information on it to better reflect the crossing there, and nothing ever happened to this crossing. Though I'm kind of surprised they never reused those signs that they had on that bungalow for this run, because you can see like some of the lettering starting to peel off. I know BNSF has done some of the replacement signs on the bungalows on the east end of the Mendota Sub, like particularly around Plano and Sandwich area. So I'm surprised they didn't reuse those here for the existing bungalow. Those signs are probably tossed in the garbage now without being used at all. But yeah, other than that, this is a pretty basic install for the BNSF these days. Obviously just look at the old striping, which is kind of nice. Other than that, yeah, this has been the County Road 200 East grade crossing.